How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. ATH M50 Audio-Technica's most popular headphones, most favorite America's headphones, I believe. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite studio monitoring headphones. So let's unbox it and let's see what comes in the box. Let me see what we have here. We have a carrying pouch with the Audio-Technica's logo here. We have 3 cables, paper, we have some instructions, some manuals. I like the box is nice. Alright, so this is the Audio-Technica's ATH M50s, the most popular America's headphones, I believe. Let me know if this is true. So why I choose the Audio-Technica's ATH M50s over the Behringer DT770, I believe. Personally, I think this is my choice. They're versatile. I can use these headphones with my laptop, with my mobile phone. And I think, I don't know, personally I think the design of the headphones are very good. I do like this design. And they look nice, even if you don't wear them. They look flat, they swivel up to 90 degrees. And I don't know, personally I think these ones are very good choice for everyday use, for professionals. So let's talk about the design of the Audio-Technica's ATH M50s. I do like this design. It's just brilliant with these silver rings on the side and with detachable cables, which I'll talk about just in a second. And overall you get a lot for your money with these headphones. So the build quality of the headphones are decent in my opinion. They're made from plastic with this silver ring on the side with the Audio-Technica's logos here on the top as well, which they're very nice, very good. And if you're wondering if this is a leather, this is not a leather. This material is called Flox leather, and basically it's a plastic made leather. This is not a real leather, but I think the design it's nice. I do like the branding here on the top, and they've been released first in 2014, so quite a long time ago. And in 2018 Audio-Technica's decided to release the Bluetooth version of the Audio-Technica's ATH M50s, and they're very popular actually in my opinion. So that's why I decided to go with the Audio-Technica ATH M50s. The build quality is very good. Check. We have 3 detachable cables, which again this is very good check. So we have 3 cables. We have a 1 straight cable which is 1.2 meters. We have a coiled cable which is 1.2 meters as well. Also the headphones comes with a 6.3 inch adapter if you like to use these headphones with your audio interface, and 3 meter straight cable as well, which in terms of cables you're good. If you're a professional DJ, just swapping the cables you're good. So overall the build quality is very good. Detachable cables, and I don't know, they are very nice, very well known headphones. Everybody knows about these headphones, I believe, and I think they're well recognizable due to the branding. And the first pair of Audio-Technica ATH A50Ss has been released in 2007. Do you believe that? A long time ago. And then Audio-Technica ATH 50s, and then the 50Xs. But overall I love these headphones. And comfort, let's talk about the comfort, because many people was complaining that the comfort is not very good. Personally, in my opinion, I wear glasses. The comfort is very good. Obviously this is first impressions now, unboxing video. I will test these headphones for a long time, but I'm okay right now. They're quite flexible. Even you have a large head, you're gonna be fantastic. As you can see, quite flexible, and even for large head you're gonna be fine. So in my opinion the comfort is very good. Sound, let's talk about the sound. They have a flat response. In my opinion, not many people maybe will like this sound response because they have a flat sound. The bass actually is very good. I like the bass, a little bit bassier, but it's a soft, clear bass. And overall, for monitoring, this I believe are the best choice for me. You may not agree with my choice, but personally I think this is the best choice for me, and I like them. So let me know in the comments down below about the Audio-Technica ATH M50s. What do you think? Do you think this is the best headphones for audio monitoring? Do you think that Beyerdynamics DT770 are much better choice? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. This was just quick unboxing and first impressions of the Audio-Technica's ATH M50s. I'll see you in the next video.